Hi, my name is Morgan Muhammad. I am a family and consumer science educator with Central State. We're making specialty mushrooms into common items that we would typically see used with animal protein.
Culinary mushrooms are an emerging specialty crop in Ohio. They're highly adaptable to a number of different growing scenarios.
I think the largest benefit as we learn more about nutrition, people are wanting to get away from animal proteins more.
They can be grown in indoor facilities, like we're in here, where we have to monitor and control all sorts of the environmental variables. We have to think about things like the humidity level, monitor for amount of light, and then also our airflow, bringing in fresh air as well as exhausting CO2 as well as the mushroom spores. We're also modeling new and unique ways of growing mushrooms in outdoor culture, looking at aspects of pest management as well as exploring different materials that can be used for our mulch substrates.
The mushrooms are so versatile, they're very meaty. So even just cutting back on animal protein, you can replace those things throughout the week so you're eating lighter. People who have seafood allergies, this is a great alternative to getting like a crab cake. Especially in our region, they're more accessible than seafood, right? We're not near an ocean. So as we eat more regionally and seasonally, I think you're going to get the best nutrition out of your food when you're doing that.
So to learn more, check out go.osu.edu/Ohio Mushroom to see all the new and innovative things that our team is working on.